We have to understand that we live in three different bodies. The one is the physical body, the hands, legs, eyes and crown and so on. And the other, which is set of lotuses connected to the physical body, but also not residing in the physical body. They are connections between the physical body and the cosmos. They are like switches. You put the switch on, light goes on somewhere else. This lotus body consists of 7 chakras shown here. The lowest one, at the base of the spine, where your body touches the ground, is a 4-petal lotus, red in color. That's called Mula Adhara Chakra, the base chakra. The base of life is the earth. Above that, around the genital area, is Sva Adhisthana Chakra, where Devi resides normally. It's an orange colored 6-petal lotus. Above that, in the navel center, there is a yellow colored 10-petal lotus called Manipura Chakra. And then above that is the heart chakra, which is green in color. You've got 12 petals, and above that is a blue 16-petal lotus. It's called Vishuddhi Chakra. And above that is called the Ajna Chakra, at the level of the eyes. One in the left eye, other in the right eye, and in the middle is the third eye. Ajna means command. It also means Ajna, means not knowing. So this is center which connects you from the known to the unknown. This is the place where the Sri Chakra resides. The geometrical body starts from here and goes up to Sahasrara Chakra, the crown of the head. Sri Chakra has bilateral symmetry like the eyes, and there resolution of all dualities takes place. Then in the crown we have the Sahasrara Chakra, which is a merged form of all these chakras together. They are all collapsed into one single entity.
hum, 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 hum,